gosh! Dude, I got it. Dude. There's like a little train. There's like a plane thing. Yeah. It flung into the backyard. And our house is right there. It was crazy.
Sidewalk.
I flew it, went way up there, and then it went flying down there. That's crazy. It's right there.
Guys, keep it in this front.
Show the camera the plane. That's the plane right
I
there.
want it off the roads and on it, not behind people's houses. Don't go too far. No! Turn around, turn around, turn. You turn it.
Oh my gosh, no! You know how to turn it off?
I mean, you can, but it's like, I have no control over it.
I'm sweating.
It's not warm.
It's
It's 30 degrees or less.
32.
No, it's less.
I just checked.
Hold on. Some of us did. Okay. Which way does it go?
Oh, has to go forward. And I think
It's not going. I think it turned off.
Where's it?
Okay, hold on.
Bruh. What? Oh no, 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 no! No! Dude, no! It's flying from way over there to here. That nigga's creepy too. Oh my god! No way! It flew into the window right there. They're going into that one too. Run, jump. Oh my god. Dude, this is gonna be the best video ever.
Oh my god.
Dude, hold.
Oh!
Dude, like and subscribe. Bye.